The question for 13 is, based on your knowledge, describe the product design cycle on area of superannuation. There are 4 stages in product design cycle. Stage 1 is identify the need for a new or modified product and develop a product strategy. Stage 2 is developing the product. Stage 3 is manufacture and distribution of the project, and stage 4 is gathering and monitoring experience. Stage 1 is identify the need for a new or modified product and develop a product strategy. To identify the need for a new or modified product, we'll consider 5 examples, which are innovation, response to a change in regulation or tax law changes, entry into a new market or distribution channel, updating an existing product to reflect relevant experience, and market research. A product strategy will discuss how the product fits into the company's strategic plan and current product portfolio, discuss the specific markets being targeted, discuss the method of distributing the product, discuss the competitive advantages of the company, develop sales and profit expectations for the product, discuss the risk associated with the product and the ability to mitigate this risk, and discuss the resources necessary for a successful product and evaluate the company's capacity to meet those needs. Stage 2 is developing the product. Project management includes development of objectives and expectations for the project, ongoing evaluation of the financial implication of the project, development of a timeline for each step of the project, assignment of responsibilities of each step of the project, and ongoing monitoring of progress with communication between all parties. Risk can arise from any part of the management of a superannuation fund, including plan design, investment policy, asset selection and allocation, asset or liability modeling, plan valuation, plan administration, member education, compliance and tax filings, financial management including pension accounting, performance assessment, and plan funding. Stage 3 is manufacture and distribution of the project. For financial products, there are generally 3 steps. The first step is distributing the product to clients. The second step is selecting the acceptable risk. And the last step is administering the product and managing the asset and liabilities that result from selling the product. The 2 basic forms of superannuation fund are defined benefit and defined contribution scheme. Defined benefit funds require the plan administrator or the trustee to constantly assess whether the combination of current assets, future rates of contribution from both the fund sponsor and the members, and future plan experience including investment performance and expense level will be sufficient to provide for the defined benefits. Defined contribution schemes require an assessment of whether the investment option provided to fund members represent an appropriate range of choices with acceptable rates of investment performance. Stage 4 is gathering and monitoring experience. This step is important for any product, but it is particularly important for financial products such as insurance. Further, this 4th stage often leads to the next product design cycle, as it can identify the need for a new or modified project. Furthermore, it will even more frequently identify that changes to the pricing of the product are necessary.